The power of mental rehearsal. If it's safe to do so, close your eyes. And I'd like you to imagine a great big cinema screen in front of you. Now, see yourself performing on that screen at your absolute best. Look at your posture, your expression. See yourself moving with confidence, speaking with authority, making decisions with clarity, exuding positive energy. Now, I'd like you to imagine floating over and into the cinema screen and step in to the optimized you. See through the eyes of your optimized self. Hear your internal dialogue strong and positive and feel how good it feels. This isn't just visualization. You're actually programming your brain for success. Every time you run through this mental rehearsal, you're strengthening the neural pathways for excellence. Your mind doesn't distinguish between vivid imagination and reality. Use this to your advantage. Practice mental rehearsal daily and watch as your real-world performance transforms to match your mental blueprint. Hello, I'm Paul McKenna, and I'm thrilled to be able to introduce you to my brand new phone app. This innovative app houses an extensive catalogue of my world-class content. Unlock the power of your true potential. You can download the Paul McKenna app today and start your journey to an even better you.